First off, the design is a real eye-catcher. It's sleek and sturdy, feeling really premium in your hand. I've dropped it a couple of times, and it's held up surprisingly well. Now let's talk about the performance. While the camera and battery are impressive, the processor feels a bit underpowered for demanding tasks. You may notice some lag when running multiple apps or playing graphics-heavy games. Yet there are positives. The cameras are amazing. They capture vibrant colors and sharp details, as you can see even in low light. And with features like portrait mode, it's too awesome. Your photos will look like they were taken by a professional. The battery life is also a standout feature. It says they last all day, even with heavy use. Plus the 67-watt fast charging is incredibly fast. You can go from 0 to full in no time. For the display, it's in another highlight. The AMOLED screen is bright and colorful, and the in-display fingerprint scanner is confident. Overall, Realme 12 4G is a solid phone with some great features. If you are looking for a phone with amazing camera and long battery life, this is a great option. However, if you are a heavy gamer or need a phone for demanding tasks, to be honest, I don't recommend it to you. That's it, and see you soon, guys.